Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate credit card through Apple Card verification. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your credit card through Apple Card verification, start by ensuring your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap on the plus sign in the upper right corner to add a new card. Select Apple Card from the list of available options. If you already have Apple Card, tap on Continue and proceed to the next step. You will be prompted to enter your Apple ID and password. After that, you may need to verify your identity through Face ID or Touch ID. Once verified, follow the on-screen instructions to link your existing credit card to your Apple Card account. You will then enter your credit card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to provide the correct billing address associated with your credit card. After entering the required details, tap Next to proceed. Apple will send a verification code to your email or phone number associated with your account. Check your email or messages for the verification code. Enter the verification code in the designated field. Once confirmed, your credit card will be linked to your Apple Card. You may then set your Apple Card as your default payment method if desired. Review the terms and conditions, and if you agree, tap Agree to continue. Your credit card is now activated through Apple Card verification. You can start using it immediately for your transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.